and welcome back. Well, we've got some clear skies in Jones County today. This is right off of Bush Dairy Road again. Had a couple clouds across the viewing area. Still overall not a bad day, but this is all going to start to change as we're going throughout the next 24 to 48 hours as we've been talking about that tropical system down in the Gulf of Mexico. We're getting some better looks at it. We'll talk about that in just a second. Today, and we overachieved our temperatures. 96 degrees here in Hattiesburg. 76 was our low this morning. We picked up right around a trace of precipitation. Nothing to really amount to much. We're about a ½ inch below where it should be for this time of year. This is going to change going throughout the next 5 to 7 days. So tonight's forecast, 76 degrees, partly cloudy and warm. Those winds out of the east-northeast. Right around 5 miles per hour. Watches and warnings outside right now. Okay, so we have some heat advisories up with our folks in Meridian. For us here in Hattiesburg, flash flood watch just to our east, and our county is just the east of Laurel and the southeast of Hattiesburg. This was issued today. It's going to be in effect until Sunday at 2 p.m. Again, that's with that tropical system. It is starting to strengthen in the Gulf of Mexico. Tropical downpours along the Gulf Coast, and even not near this. This is going to impact a good majority of the south central and southeastern United States because of all those rain bands that are going to be wrapping around it. And yeah, so just get ready for that. Tomorrow's highs will be in the lower 90s. The wind's still out of the east, partly sunny. We'll have some thunderstorms starting to move in. Heat index values are still going to be between 100 and 105 degrees. So let's talk about this tropical system. Now, we had an aircraft reconnaissance go through it a couple hours ago. Hurricane hunters, as many people know them, not finding a center right now. Of course, we can't see an eye. That's the good news. There's no tropical depression at the current moment. It's just called a potential tropical cyclone 2 because it's the second one of the year in the Atlantic. But you can see we are getting some billowing, getting some more convective storms, and once we can find a common center here, right now it's a little off axis. Tropical systems don't like that, but we're thinking it's going to be pulled a little bit to the southwest, and right now it's looking to make landfall across Louisiana. That's still going to impact us. We'll put our future radar into motion. You can see we'll have some rain still moving through tonight potentially. Rain bands just offshore right now. Again, if you have any plans, as was talked about earlier, or you know anybody down there, they need to be aware of what's going on. As we go on throughout your Thursday, we'll start to see those rain bands move in from the the southeast. And then, especially as we go into the weekend, that's when we have a better chance for showers and thunderstorms. Quite a bit of it right now. This is the current track of what we're thinking. Now, remember, this is a cone. It can make landfall anywhere in between this cone. So we're not pinpointing an exact location right now. That's very difficult to do. But right now, the Hurricane Center has it becoming a Category 1 hurricane by about Saturday midday, and then making landfall right in the center of this track would be just to the west of the central, if you draw an axis right here through Louisiana, right there. And of course, we're going to be eastern side of this. Now, the good news is our rainfall accumulation totals have gone down a little bit, but we're still talking about quite a bit of rain. Again, anywhere from 3 to 5 inches right now from Sunday through Monday. Widespread flooding mainly off to our west, but that's still going to be a common factor here. That's why we do have those flash flood watches in effect. Isolated tornadoes, although that's a lesser chance for us. So here we go. Thursday, 93 degrees. We start feeling those effects. Better chance for showers and thunderstorms Friday into Saturday. Those temperatures dip into the lower 80s, so that'll be nice. But again, it's with the tropical system, so it's not going to be nice outside. And as we go into next week, those chances will lessen. They'll still stay with us as temperatures start to rebound near 90 degrees. By Monday, overnight lows will be in the mid-70s.